Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. When you find this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off it again. And in the end you can update your app on Play Store if it's not working with you. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.